Hi, my name is Suman Kumar and I am team leader of Team Gyan, which is working on rebuilding a school that was destroyed by earthquake in the year 2015 in my home country, Nepal. As for my personal experience, right after my high school, I had 4 gap years. But even after 4 gap years, I was given this opportunity to study in the United States on a scholarship. But I realized that there are a lot of students back home in my home country, Nepal, who do not have this opportunity that I do, which is the reason why I felt a great need to give back, and I decided to initiate this project to help the people in my home country who are less fortunate than I am. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Mohammed Hadi, and the reason why I joined Team Gyan was there was a number of different factors that led to this decision. I too come from a third world country, Pakistan to be specific, and I have firsthand seen what a lack of education can do to a society. So when Suman Kumar, approached me with this great idea of Team Gyan and what it's all about, I did not hesitate for a second. I just said yes immediately, because as a learned man, I feel like it is my duty to this world to bring the gift of education to those who don't have it. And this project isn't going to be easy, not by far, but not by a long shot. But most good things in life aren't. So here's to Team Gyan.
My name is Salah. I'm from Tunisia. I'm an international ambassador for the Tunisian NGO Wallah We Can, where we work on making education accessible to people from all backgrounds. I was able to see the positive impact a school we built had on numerous people, and I grew passionate to help with more education projects. For this reason, I decided to be part of this new organization and to engage in Project Gyan.
Hi, I'm Apurva. I'm a third-year student here at the University of Rochester studying mechanical engineering and economics. For me, Team Gyan represents a unique platform to give back to the community and to serve the greater good beyond. As a student from India, I've had first-hand exposure to all kinds of poverty, to how children have been deprived of their basic needs of education, livelihood, shelter, and so on and so forth. As an international student here at the University of Rochester acquiring quality education, I feel obligated to give back to the community at large and make the presence felt. I really want to contribute and help those in need, especially those from whom their basic right to education has been taken away by a natural calamity. I, along with my colleagues here at Team Gyan, aspire to make change and to bring about the gift of education to those deprived of it. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Honor, and I'm a student from Turkey at the University of Rochester. When Suman and his teammates first approached me to join Team Gyan, I was very excited to say yes, because I, at an early age, was exposed to community service groups as well. I realized that the impact that I could make with random acts of kindness with these early on community service groups that I was a part of, but with Team Gyan, we're doing much more than just random acts of kindness. What we're trying to do is give back to these kids their essential rights, education. And with your donation and with your support, we could do a lot more than just give back to these kids an education. We could also give back to them the life that they always wanted to live. Thank you.